So now we move on to intermediate orders. Simply select intermediate. Again, it will be next to the simple order we just went through. Now you will notice the interface changes very slightly. Now this is where it gets a bit more confusing, and again, in my opinion, actually unnecessary. However, you do need to know how to place these should you want to go down this route. Now again, you will notice straight away we have the same options as last time to buy and sell. You can in fact select any of the cryptos you want right from the interface, which is a bit more convenient. So if we went through this again the same way we would before, let's just say we want to buy 500 XRP. That would cost us $129.38. Now you may notice the leverage tab has actually been cancelled out, and that's because I don't actually have any USD in my account, and you cannot place a leverage trade with XRP to another crypto. It has to be a fiat currency like pound, euro or USD. So you can actually leverage just like Forex from this tab, but guys, I do not recommend this at all. The fact is the market is still very hectic, it's unregulated, and there has been times where I remember once Ether actually spiked from $300 to around $10 in a matter of seconds before instantly reversing back to its original trading price. Would you have had a leverage trade, you would have been completely wiped out in potentially tens of thousands of loss. You would have been owed that, as this is exactly the same as a margin call with Forex. So again, I do not recommend going down that route. Plus, these exchanges are not like Forex brokers yet. They're not established as much. The liquidity, the trading volumes, they're not there. So your order could be missed, your take profit could be skipped. It's a very risky route to go down. But again, let's just continue. Start. You can choose when you want this order to actually be available on the market for somebody else to buy or sell. Expire. You can choose when the order expires. So should you set it today, you can let this run until next week, for example. Cool, you can let that run. You can also choose how you want the fees to be applied to your account and your trade. Do you want them to take it out as USD? Or do you want it to come out of your current XRP holdings, like I have here? Then all you would do is post a limit order once this is all selected. And then you simply press buy, just like we would have with the simple order, except you're now in a leverage precision of potentially 2, 3, 4, 5 times your actual holding. So that's it for intermediate. We'll now move on to advanced.